Sanbonani, welcome along to another edition of Ikaga CFM Sports Unlocked, right here on the Big G, Kamalamu Ayanda Waganyuswa. And today is one day after the big Betway Premiership match between TS Galaxy and Mamelodi Sundowns, which was a game that has changed the entire trajectory of a Betway Premiership title race, with just 2 games left now for Orlando Pirates. Siyazi ukuthi Sundowns siwaqedile ke amagame ayo. It was match day 30 for Masandawana Izolo, and what better way to look at the remaining games of the Betway Premiership than to speak to a former Bagania himself? Ayanda Caba is joining me namhlanje. Angazi noma ngimbize nge-champion elect ngoba nje sekusele kancane mabesho. Mfoka Caba, thank you so much for isikhathi sakho and for joining us on Gaga CFM.
Thank you very much for having me once again. I don't know if kumele ngithi I'm crowned, yes, yet, but it's all in their hands. Come weekend, I hope they will do the right thing, because of now the ball is in their court.
Ball is completely in the court of the Orlando Pirates with those 2 games left against Durban City, Bavali season against the Orbit College. But before we get to the Pirates, Ayanda, Asbuele Mova, looking at last night's game, TS Galaxy against Sundowns in Mbombela Stadium, one of the most entertaining games we've seen. In fact, the last 2 games of Sundowns League were very high-scoring games. Okuyinto esingavamisile ukuyibona kakhulu kwi-Sundowns, with them scoring and conceding so many goals. But what did you make of the performance of both sides in kuleya game?
It was a nice game, very intense, and after a long time, ngibona TS Galaxy actually, battling with the Sundowns like that, going with them toe to toe. Abantu abaningi bebelinde vele ukuthi i-Sundowns iwine, but yeah, we always say ukuthi you are as good as your last game, so i-TS Galaxy ikwazile ukuthi na ithi match up to i-Sundowns. Nanokuthi ke these days ba consider amagoli amaningi, so it's like surprisingly, ukuthi kuba easy for bona ukuthi ba consider. As we all know, Sundowns akukho lula ukuthi uyikorele, because we know ukuthi they're good defensively, keeper all right, defense, midfield, strikers, but to concede so many goals towards the end of the season, so it means pressure base corner iningi.
So when we funda as a pressure, because I mean from coach Miguel Cardoso himself, ukhala kakhulu nge-fatigue. So if you look at the fixture congestion that the Sundowns has had this season, juggling, I mean, CAF Champions League, juggling cup competitions, league games, playing a game almost every 3 days. I think in the last month or so, they've played like 11 games on the bounce. So Cardoso ukhale kakhulu ngaloko. So do you feel it has effects? I mean, it's not the first time where we've seen a team edlala with Champions League playing so many games. It's happened in many seasons before with the Sundowns under different coaches. So do you feel there's merit behind those reasons? Ukuthi amachita nje akhathele?
Yeah, I would say so, because sebedlala amagame amaningi ngempela, and with the same squad. Been changes here and there, but mainly those players that have been starting and playing the whole season have been playing, so if fatigue nayo would be a big factor. Nanokuthi vele Africa nje on its own it's tough, every game you play, ukuthi those guys are physical, so kumele nawe we are all out. You can't reserve yourself, whether you're playing home or away, because if you play away, you're fighting for the 3 points or a point, and then you say, come home, let me fight for 3 points for me to advance, for me to go to a semi or a final. So Sundowns has done that, numerous times. So that's why sometimes Omasi Ibuga say, it's easy, but it's not easy. So nabo badlalile, and manje baya feel good. No, we've played so many games, and I think in the last month or 2 months, they've played more than 10 games or so. So it's a lot.
I know Sundowns fans in particular bakhathazekile kakhulu ngedefense yabo, but should we also be worried as South Africans ngoba sibheke kwindebe yomhlaba very very soon? Our number 1 goalkeeper Ronan Williams has been under the cosh of late, conceding a goal. I think it's 7 goals in 2 games.
7 goals in 2 games.
We also have obviously Bafana defenders within that Sundowns back 4.
Yes.
Is it something ekumele sikhathazeke ngayo given, or is it back to le point le fatigue, or do you feel ukuthi the boys are just out of form or off form at the moment, but is it something that as South Africans in the broader sense we should be worried about going into a World Cup? I mean, isquad asikabizo kodwa siyazi ukuthi the likes of Omodiba, Omudau and uRonza himself will be within the mix.
For me, I think into mele siyibuke, because of ibalulekile, so we can't run away from it because of World Cup iseduze. Even though ama-game 8 asephela, but basadlala. Manje sekuzoba ukuthi ke how do they rest?
Yeah.
Knowing ukuthi am I in the squad or not? Because at the moment wonke umuntu usalindile ukuthi who's going to be in the squad, but obviously we know ukuthi who are the main people that are there abamise South Africa because of its Sundowns, Pirates, so ilapho nalapho where you can put other teams and say now we have a solid team, we have South Africa manje, but we know ukuthi imiswe Sundowns ne Pirates, so that's why I'm saying ukuthi kumele sibabheke manje how they play, how they recover, how they rest, and then sibone ukuthi are they good enough ukuthi ba compete in the World Cup or kanjani, because of World Cup now on its own, it's something else. It's
another level, but obviously Sundowns is going to be playing La CAF Champions League final over the next 2 weekends against Ifara, but more build up on that ngokamba kweviki. But let's switch over to Orlando Pirates now. Mapagania have had quite a successful season where we have seen them score loads and loads of goals. League obviously already won M10-8, already won a Carling knockouts, and now with just 2 games left, a chance ukuthi baqede leya drought ka 14 years of not winning a league title. Coach Abdeslam Wadu and Amabagania, what have they done right kule season to find themselves kule position abakuyo manje of possibly winning a treble? Because the last time futhi they won the league was a treble, go 2012. So Bazo ended droughts as well with 2 other cups. What has changed so much? What did Coach Abdeslam Wadu change so much to ukuthi nje ashintsha ama fortunes the Pirates this season?
I would say for me, Nanje, it's their way of playing. This season be more different than the previous season. This season we had a lot of attacking guys, about direct, nice combination plays, and they're scoring, because of Ipagania throughout the seasons, Lamanye, Nathi Sakona. Ukora, yes, be scorer, but not that much. Even defensively, abantu bebe shaky, but defense right. So
19 clean sheets.
They've improved a lot. That's something uthi uchayine manje, what 19 clean sheets.
Yep.
It's going to be going to 20 if bazoba ne clean sheet. So nabo on their own, confidence booster. Ukuthi at least we are not conceding too many goals. We are scoring a lot of goals and we are winning games.
Yeah.
Naloko nje now it plays a big part.
Yeah. So do you feel there was mhlampe singathi a mental switch with Pirates? Because the Pirates were playing good football under Jose Rivero, obviously competing alongside the juggernaut Sundowns team. Do you feel mhlampe there was a change of mentality? Because we've always seen the Pirates play well but not be consistent throughout the season. Mhlampe around March, April they ran out of steam, but we didn't see that particular season.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Ukuthi this season ba improve kakhulu. Nanokuthi ke ukuba consistent. Iyona nto bengikhala ngayo vele nami before ukuthi Pirates may play well but ababe consistent. That was the only thing it was shy throughout nje this past few seasons. Nanokuthi ke manje ke siyakora I'm happy ukuthi kuyakora. Ayangena amagoli i-drought le iyaphela, even ama strikers manje ne confidence asho ukuthi yazi bakhona abantu abakwazi ukuthi baset score nami uma ngithola i-chance I can score. So that's why I'm saying ukuthi lapha we have individuals who can score, who can set, so working relationship yabo healthy and nice, competitive.
Yeah. Ama naysayers angasho ukuthi iPirates sangawadlala ama draw too. Kuye ngale, but I'm not saying it obviously, but my question is, do you feel ukuthi bazoyiqeda in this weekend against Durban City? Amstel Arena? Noma silinde
no,
igame
no, no, no,
Orbit.
no, no, no. It's ekhaya. It's ekhaya. It's a slaughterhouse.
Izophela kule weekend.
Izophela kule weekend. That's why I'm saying ukuthi this weekend nje. We make sure ukuthi nje yazini we say we are lifting it whether kunjani but come afternoon or come 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock sithi 3 points in the bag and silinda the last game and then isikwazi ukuthi ke siyilifte kahle icup.
Last game of the season, of course, for the Pirates will be against the Orbit College. Venue yaleyo game leyo has not been decided as yet. But before I let you go, Mfowaqaba, quick fire, top of your head, Uyaphendula. You just give me an answer to my question. Goalkeeper of the season, PSL, Betway Premiership.
China.
Sipho Chain.
Yeah.
Deserve it. I don't think there's any arguments, Lapo.
No arguments. He deserves it.
I'm a clean sheet.
Clean sheet. I ask Khulumela on their own. Yeah.
Defender of the season.
Quiet guy. Abantu abaningi, I don't know if they recognize this guy, but for me, Siema. Center back.
Siema.
That boy, yeah, he's doing it for me this season.
Yeah.
Quiet, but doing a big job.
Do you feel he's sort of like the future for the Pirates? Siyazi ukuthi amaBhakania have had legendary centre backs and very, very good defenders. You among those names as well. So do you feel mhlawumbe ukuthi because usamncane uSiyema, so do you feel ukuthi he could have like a huge stretch as part of the heart of the defensive Pirates? Because I mean, he does have the qualities.
He does, yeah. So as long as he stays humble, disciplined, he's gonna go a long way.
Midfield of the season, ubani okwenzile endishini kule season?
Oh, quite a couple, but still for me, this boy, no, Mkwena for me. I don't want to.
Debza.
Yeah, Debza. Yeah, no. Still.
Purely based on Gule season.
Season, yes.
Yeah, so you don't feel ukuthi, because I mean, he was midfield of the season for the past, I don't know, 3 seasons. So you don't feel ukuthi ukhona umuntu who has surpassed him?
No.
Is there anyone who's close? If Debza akekho, he'll be the midfield of the season.
Mbata is coming. Talent is coming, yes.
Yeah.
Talent is coming, yeah.
Okay, midfield of the season, Debza Mokoena. And let's get to ngifuna ukwahlukanisa phambili. Ngiyazi ukuthi it's usually just attacker or forward, but ngizothi winger ngithi striker.
Okay.
So who would you say is the best wide player of the season on either side? Masibuka nje iPSL yonkana.
Where do I place Apollos?
Apollos angithi use winger.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. Apollos.
So Urele na. Apollos or Urele?
Going for Apollos.
Apollos?
Yeah.
So you believe he's had a better season than Urele?
Yeah. By far. That guy this season, who has tried to stop him?
That's quite a take.
If you
I'm not sure if a lot of people will agree, but I mean, Apollos has had a great season himself.
I don't want to lie.
But obviously, the numbers favor Urele.
Yes.
But you feel Oswin has been the better player.
Yeah, Apollos for me has been consistent and doing it this whole season. Yeah.
What makes him so special? Because I mean, Sam Kumbula na Polokwane City, he's always been a great player, but he's obviously gone a level higher since signing for the Pirates.
Yes, that small maturity to say now ngisuka from a smaller team going to a big team. Will I be able to handle the pressure now? And he did, and he delivered because of that nippiness of him, that quickness. I'm a short. Urele, yes, yena akana short, but unamakela in he can set.
Akana ama short Urele.
Yeyiphi shot akayithatha because uyakhela lo muntu.
Umuntu asashaya amabhola abaningi kangaka. Different angles.
Apollos.
Outside the box.
Apollos.
Does that make Apollos your player of the season as well?
For me, yes. Definitely.
In the whole PSL.
In the whole PSL. Whole PSL. I'm going for
Oswin Apollos.
Oswin Apollos.
Hayi Mfowaqaba bazokuthola ku social media so but obviously it's not a controversial take.
Yes, yeah, it's debatable.
It's debatable. Yeah. But obviously abantu abaningi from what I've seen have seen Urele as that standout player.
Yeah.
But I think it's more than fair now you mentioned Apollos because he has been one of the standout players with Betway Premiership this season.
And we also forget one other person. Naye, he's also there. Kancane naye, Umoremi. Yeah, after his injury, but naye, he was knocking, say, hey, gents, Nami, I'm there.
You there?
Yeah.
Hi, Mfowaqaba. you've said quite a mouthful. Siyabonga kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho. Obviously, we're looking forward to igame yangomgqibelo against Durban City and also the last game of the season. In terms of, I think umasibuka nje kwezinye izinto, the interesting part is the league. Pirates just needing one more win. Obviously, there's still that top 8 fights. Relegation I got decide. Yes. But that's pretty much what we're looking forward to. And we're going to see with 2 games to go.
Thank you very much.
Thank you Mfokacaba for joining us namhlanje. And that is a wrap of this week's edition of Igagasi FM Sports Unlocked. We're going to be back again with more next week.